Saith the goat of the wood, thou shalt not staple squirrels.
Oh yeah, those are the
Vengeful
ghosts of the
ghost squirrel. I'm gonna need more bullets.
For you.
Scary, man. Now
I can't believe I got that fucking first one. Holy shit.
It was zooming.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
What?
Is that not a? Is that not a huge?
Me when monkey.
I'm so scared to find this big squirrel. I'm so fucked. If it's aggressive, I'm fucked.
I love that it jumps straight from large to extra large.
Oh,
wait.
yeah.
Wait, does that mean you have to fight a ghost of the big one too?
I would like to contend that the squirrels I've already been hunting are quite large.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like raccoon sized.
Did I reload? Oh fuck.
You did.
You
Yeah.
better hope.
You know, just press R again and see if it reloads it.
You
No,
have to
no,
left click to
it's
reload.
left click to reload.
Oh, that's weird.
What if the note at this house is just like, oh god, oh fuck, someone stapled squirrels, God is upon us.
Among Us.
Oh no.
Good.
Don't fucking pop out that door, bitch!
That's what I think's gonna happen.
I can no-scope. How good is the no-scoping in this game?
No.
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 Richard? No.
No.
Fuck it!
It's not coming towards you.
I want to make sure you know where more ammo
You need to
is.
save your ammo!
That's
Yeah.
true. Small abnormal readings still occurred with the odd regularity. Recalibrating always fixes them, but they come back the next day. I also find dead squirrels outside the door. Looks like maybe an animal's leaving them, but I'm noting it as per instructions. Come back tomorrow. Am I asking for these reports?
I don't know. Go inside.
What would your job even...
Go inside.
I can't. I tried going to the door. Nothing happens.
What is he getting readings from?
Squirrels.
You got like radars.
There's a... Oh my fucking god. I saw the stain on the door and it oh, fucking...
There.
They
Damn,
fucking
that thing is
fast!
lunging at you.
It's like
God! Someone's leaving dead squirrels. Maybe he's stapling squirrels too?
Yeah, it's a staple.
You
It's a
think
squirrel
there's
staple.
another man as crazy as you?
No, what if it's just a normal thing they do in this universe?
Just a normal thing. Press E.
Yeah,
to
like what if there's like a Kylie Jenner, she's like, guys, if you want to be really beautiful, get squirrel staples to your face, and that's why we're doing it to our wife.
I lost
man.
15 pounds doing this.
I lost
Wait,
15
wait.
pounds stapling squirrels to myself.
Go inside.
Doctors hate this one weird trick.
No!
Doctors hate this trick. God, I fucking hate health pickups.
This one weird trick will make your dick 8 inches longer.
About squirrel inches longer.
I replaced my foreskin with a squirrel.
With a
And it was
squirrel.
the best decision of my life.
Oh.
Condoms? Fuck condoms. Just cut off a squirrel's tail. Hollow that shit out.
Oh.
Boom.
It's
Use
like
Felt
in,
tip.
like in
Rex
Postal when you use
drive
one cat as
you
a suppressor.
nuts.
When you use a Snickers wrapper instead of a condom.
Yo, why Snickers got dick veins though?
You saran wrap.
There's more bullets out there. Oh my god.
Because you're gonna need a lot.
Is that
There are
bullets?
memorizations.
It looks kind of pink. Oh my god, is that another bear trap?
I don't think it's
You
a.
get a condom, so you have to use tinfoil.
Pretty sure you just made a circle.
What did you just say,
This is
Caleb?
different.
Oh no. It doesn't kill you.
The gods smile upon.
Never should have come here.
Imagine one of the squirrels is just like, never should have come here. Just-
Hold on,
Wait,
gun.
what if you
It is
Never
bullets.
should have come.
What if you go to the thing that hurts you and you do your summoning call in there? What if it like summons the big guy?
Oh yeah, okay. What if I kill myself?
I mean, it does so much damage. Like it does so little damage.
Yeah.
over
I mean, I
small
could stand there for like a minute.
And the health pack's right there. So.
Alright,
Have
do you
more
guys want
bullets?
the
Bro!
full disclosure? I have no idea what the fuck that summoning thing whatever you guys are talking about.
Oh, the bear trap. I'm gonna call it the bear trap stones.
Yeah, I have no
Wait,
idea what
level-
that actually does. You can find the big squirrel. I don't know why you haven't found it yet.
Are we finding it or is it finding us?
I mean,
I
Is
mean,
that
either
fucking
way.
flying dead squirrel? Wait, what the fuck is? Oh, it's just glitching.
man's mad.
Dude,
Oh, it's
I'm
not.
so terrified.
Look, bro, as long as you shoot the squirrel, it'll be fine. Just run.
I've almost tried to shoot that log twice now. Alright, well, I'm gonna run and scare off a squirrel and then I'll chase it.
This video's gonna be like 20 minutes of you trying to find the last squirrel. and
For
the extra
real.
large squirrel.
You're gonna have to cut like 30
Is
minutes
there
of this.
fall
out.
damage? Can I die? Can I
Hey, if I see the
suicide?
N-word, you have to cut it out right now.
No, wait, please. If they see a cut in the audio, they know what happened. If they hear a cut in the video, they know what happened.
Conspiracy theorist. Why did Lynn cut this audio here?
Why
Yeah.
did Lynn cut the audio here? Could it be because Richard's a racist?
You
Use some mild tomfoolery.
Bro, tell me why Caleb's such a nice guy.
Damn.
Tell me
Caleb,
why
you need the
bitch.
you
You
get
have
like
to cut this out.
sound.
It's fine, I'm not doing anything anyways. I haven't found a fucking single squirrel.
You need the cuss beep sound.
Oh yeah, I thought about doing that one.
I don't know if this
Look
actually
who's
affects
not
it, but I think you
streaming.
need to stop sprinting. Like,
Oh yeah, sprinting scares them off. It was one of
Well,
yeah, I
but
don't
then
think they'll spawn if you're sprinting.
Yo, no, you gotta hit F3B to see your sprinting noise hitbox.
What?
Yeah, I looked it up. If you hit all F4, it'll summon the big squirrel.
Bet?
Ooh, the
Oh hell no, I heard
Oh.
something.
Dang.
There's some fucking
Yes.
flying bird squirrel, bitch ass.
The streamer stinks.
I'm unsubbing.
Yeah.
I'm fully expecting to be like a T-Rex and it's just a squirrel.
You got him.
I'm
Yeah,
a fucking
good
long
shot.
shot. Let's go, baby.
Long shot.
Dude, there's no drop off on that gun. Can we talk about this?
Daniel, it's just because I'm a god. Sorry.
Dude, you're right.
Yeah, I calculated it.
You'll find God today.
Oh my fucking shit!
What the
Oh,
fuck?
the ghost squirrel got you.
Get your ankles.
What the fuck?
The ghost squirrel got him.
Okay,
I
now
was
you
fully
just
expecting it to be the big squirrel.
I was too.
Might be that guy that's
squirrels.
sending the reports.
Did I
This
do
girl was trying to
this?
give you a hand.
Yo, can we get Squirrel Stapler Battle Royale?
Am I? Oh, I'm back home. Son of a bitch.
What if
Camping in
you
my
were
house,
the last
huh?
squirrel? You just look in a mirror.
I'm a squirrel.
Puts
Such
the
a
gun in his mouth, looks in the mirror.
Look at your hands, bro. You can't tell me this next squirrely as fuck.
Oh fuck! I didn't reload.
opens up iFunny collective section.
Those are large.
These squirrels are.
Why does it sound like it's in the sky?
There it is.
You look up, a big squirrel is big.
Follow
you
it. That was
I'm
it.
hearing stuff. Calm down.
No, you literally saw it.
I know. I'm hearing something else.
Who cares?
I
But you got
can't.
dementia.
Whatever.
No, it's cool.
Yeah, actually, the only way to spawn the big squirrel is to like call it.
How do you?
Oh.
I don't know.
What the fuck? They're right behind me.
He's gone.
Here's the way.
I can't tell where the sound is coming from.
It's straight ahead of you.
Right ahead.
A little right.
No, a little left.
Woo!
Yeah.
That was actually a headshot. Nice.
Damn, boy, he's thick!
Fuck.
What?
Why did that take so long?
You cannot sleep now, there are monsters nearby.
Oh god! Dude, holy shit! What if I go to the bed and it goes, I cannot sleep now, there are squirrels in the window?
In the rafters, bro.
God, I'm so scared to enter my house is scarier than the woods.
You gotta eat dinner, bro.
Empty plates.
You can't eat on an empty
Oh, Dan,
stomach.
you want to see my beautiful wife? She's getting prettier by the day.
Yeah, let's do.
There's a note.
She's
That doesn't-
almost perfect.
That doesn't look like a wife.
I don't want squirrels, I want skin.
How
Give
dare
me
you.
back my skin or give me yours.
Damn, you did.
Wife, we both know
Oh.
you're illiterate. Wait, what do I do with the big one?
It's a trophy, bro.
It's your
There.
pelt. It's
Wait,
a nice
wait.
cape.
Wait, no. The squirrel made a dick for her.
Yo, she got penis?
Yo, kinda.
God,
It's like-
fucking hell, shit. I hate this house so much.
Oh, Daniel.
It'd be like that.
He was too scared.
I look to the right. And nothing to the right.
Dude, you know what would make this game worse? If I could hit Q or E to lean.
Oh my god.
Play Siege.
Just leaning around trees.
I'd be so scared. I'd be like, why do I need this function?
The school has guns.
Welcome back.
Something was scratching on the windows last night. I was right there
Oh.
with squirrels at the windows.
Oh.
You should check around your house then.
Yeah.
Tip of the day, use the call. Be careful. Rifle noise travels far and can attract large predators.
Predators.
God.
No, the keyword is large. You should like do a perimeter of your house just to make sure.
Wait.
These are not
already
normal squirrels. Oh my
did.
god. It's a bear!
Oh my god.
Those were the scratches on your window.
Something out there is hunting me. Bro, it's a bear. Did you know a bear is just a really big squirrel?
No!
Come back for fun facts with Lynn.
Lynn, you gotta go to E10 on the map.
What? I didn't even move! It's a bear! Oh, it's a boar.
That's a
Squirrel bear.
What's that tail?
There. Oh.
Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it again!
I am attempting to!
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Shit.
Alright, directed by Michael Bay. He fucking exploded. It took 3 rounds.
Yep.
Better find some ammo, bro. That one only attracts the big boy. I don't think you should fight the big boy right now.
Well, the big squirrel only gets shot 1 shot.
Yeah. The call calls are herbivores. It's a plant whistle. Sounds
Yeah,
like
but
plant.
but predators eat herbivores.
Uh,
Logic.
Rapper. Yeah.
God, that fucking squirrel bear was right there. Is he supposed to be that close to the house?
they spawn randomly,
Oh.
like everything else in this game.
I guess you could say that that bear was Muslim Pakistani American.
From New Jersey?
Nope.
Stop.
Squirrels are chemosensory. Use chemosensory legs and feet hairs to identify food, then track it with their front antennae.
What the fuck?
It's actually antenna.
I don't think so.
It is because there'd be an E at the end.
I'm literally not even talking about that. Are you just gonna gloss over the fact that it says squirrel have antennae?
I don't know. I'm not a squirrel biologist.
Unluckily for you, I have a a degree in squirrelology.
You
Squirrelology.
said it's to say you're like a girl.
You have a girl.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a daughter. Feels bad.
Oh.
I can't jump!
Girls on the wall.
Do you mean my wife that I fucking stapled to the cross?
you're into some freaky shit, bro.
Yeah, that one. The
She's
one that
hideous, by the
grew-
way.
The one that grew a peen.
Needs more squirrels.
Yeah,
All women are gorgeous in their own way, even the ones stapled to your wall.
She just needs
it'd be
more.
prettier if we stapled more squirrels to her.
The newly created. Wait! Oh, you know, my wife had legs, never mind. The newly created half woman screamed, how? She only has feet. What?
No, top half. He painted the top half.
Oh. Oh, waist up, okay. And wailed, clawing her way in circles around the room as blood poured from the bottom. Oh, I assumed it would, like, print her with, like, her smooth, whatever. The artist sobbed, looked at the old woman who was examining the pennies. Given her unfazed, she caused his gaze, shrugged, and said, I reserve a special spell for these circumstances. She pointed to an axe mounted on the wall. Special spell, axe murder. Holy.
Help you out. Get
Once
some
every
health.
time.
Huh?
Your health is not full.
Is it not?
Yeah,
No,
the,
you
the,
got
the,
hit
thing,
once.
the thing that exploded, yeah, that is damage.
Oh, when they explode, they do damage too?
Yeah.
You know, little frag bores
As
around.
we said, directed by Michael Bay.
Frag bears.
You, you got that frag bombs upgrade for your bomb tower.
Already
my-
dumb squirrels.
What?
You hear that?
No.
If he was like one of the 8 people in this call, but it sounded like heavy breathing.
That was such a such
No!
a full laugh.
That's just how Daniel laughs, bro.
Squirrel point alpha.
So mischievous.
New note.
There's something in the woods here that we didn't expect. I keep finding tracks and I hear a night moving through the foliage, scratching the concrete. In the morning, there are squirrels outside the door with their limbs all pulled off, their heads twisted, dozens of them requesting a call for instructions on how to proceed. The fucking come out! Dude, if anything takes 6 bullets to kill, I'm fucking screwed.
Just the one less.
What happens when I die?
Is it Stonehenge?
You restart today.
Oh, okay. It does damage to you, Daniel, if you stand in the middle.
Andy called it a fairy summoning circle.
Oh. The worst part is, I don't think I can outrun that squirrel bear.
You can try.
And pack trash.
D&D DMs be like, you can certainly try. God.
I mean, if you want to rape and pillage this woman, you can certainly
Oh, God.
try.
Oh my god.
I found it! Is there a note? There's a note out there. Oh my!
Don't have to kill it.
Oh.
You could have just
Oh.
ignored him.
Oh.
Why is it not dead yet?
Oh.
You
Oh,
missed
Oh.
like 3
Oh.
shots on him.
No.
You missed 3 shots.
Going for that
See-
fucking note.
ammo.
The middle building has ammo and health.
It's not a
You're
note.
gonna get yoinked by a ghost squirrel.
I didn't scare it off.
You could have just ignored the exploding squirrel.
I had to walk through it to get to this squirrel.
That's true. Him firing at that squirrel would have alerted the other one. And considering the fact he missed multiple shots, it was best that he did it then instead of after.
Hey, shut the fuck up, man. We're not min-maxing this fucking game.
Max.
It's not that serious.
I play Squirrel Stapler competitively.
I'm Yo, is that the same note?
Framed.
Squirrels can regenerate lost limbs, although it can take a few years to do so.
Dude, I'm trying to be like a squirrel. What the fuck?
You have an antenna?
I just get mad, so I chop off my hand. Give it a couple years, I got another hand.
When you rage and leak, so you cut off your own hand.
Yeah, that's squirrel.
You guys know that a lot of the
Big
meat
squirrel!
people people get from crabs are from the claws, and crabs can regenerate their claws like very quickly.
How quickly?
Hmm,
Did I reload? Fuck.
like a
No,
couple
you
weeks.
did.
Pretty good.
Ah.
Well,
Aiming in Call of Duty.
Bullets.
you're such a hard scoper, bro.
Yeah.
I tried no scoping the bear. Okay, it didn't go well.
I told you not to do it.
You need to get health.
There's health at my
Bro.
house, I think.
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Oh, that is a
Bro.
squirrel.
Not anymore.
This game is called Squirrel Stapler, but you're not using a stapler. False
Staple
advertising.
this
Will you-
to your wife.
False advertising.
For real.
Nah, that's a.
I
What
agree
are you
with
talking about?
Daniel.
His gun says it's a giant nail
You
gun.
need to kill Dylan. One thing's gonna kill you.
It's a giant nail gun. What are you talking about?
It's a giant nail gun that uses 50 cal.
Okay, I'm using 50 cal BMG for these squirrels.
Hey, did you see that fucking exploding squirrel?
HE, BMG, AP.
Yeah, and that dude took 3 rounds of HE BMG.
I'm just waiting for a huge, like, predators, like, to just come out and kill him.
It was about to.
Vamos!
The
You
exclamation
always aim
point
at
goes
the
into the
exclamation
sky. It goes
I
into
know.
the sky.
Oh, I thought they
It's just
climbing
like
up the
being
tree.
alerted.
No, they
being
just run
alerted.
away.
This boy's fucking.
Look,
Ooh, shiny.
The angle.
I swear,
game-
I thought they'd be climbing up the trees and disappearing. I thought they despawn
No.
when I scare them.
No,
That
they
would
just
be
run
cool.
away.